Hey there, curious minds. Ready to unlock the secrets of our amazing world? Let's get started. Walk through a garden and you'll see plants with different lifespans. Some live for a flash, while others live for centuries. All plants follow a life cycle. They grow, reproduce, and eventually end. How long that takes divides them into three groups. First, the annuals. These are the speed racers of the garden. They complete their entire life cycle in just one single growing season. They spend all their energy making a bright show and producing seeds. Once that job is done, their life cycle is complete. We love annuals for their bright, non-stop color. Flowers like petunias, zinnias, and impatiens are all speed racers of the garden. Many of our favorite vegetables, like corn and tomatoes, are also annuals. We harvest them and their life cycle is over. Next are biennials. These plants take their time, using a clever 2-year strategy to survive and produce their seeds. In year 1, they only grow leaves and build up energy, storing it in their roots. They're saving up their power. In year 2, they use that stored energy to produce a big flower, make seeds, and then their journey is done. Popular garden plants like foxglove and foods like carrots and celery are all biennials that follow this 2-year clock. Finally, perennials. These are the long-term residents. They live for 3 years, or even for thousands of years. Perennials don't die in the winter. They just take a break. They send energy down to their roots to wait for spring. When the weather warms up, they burst back to life, flower again, and keep growing year after year. Most trees, rose bushes, and shade-loving hostas are perennials. They are the permanent, sturdy features of our beautiful landscape. Each plant has a clever strategy. Whether it's a quick burst, a 2-year plan, or a lifetime commitment, nature finds a way. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to Tender Intellects for more such fun videos.